Welcome back to Shib Army. As promised, this project will increase Shib news 100 to 200 times. 2023 has been a year of cryptocurrency recovery, with most cryptocurrencies recovering about half of their 2022 losses. Shiba Inu has stagnated while the majority of other market participants have recovered, and market watchers worry that this may lead to mass whale sell-offs if the token's problematic run gets worse. In this video, we'll discuss about Shib Army, as investors have already begun to leave the Shib environment in favor of other promising cryptocurrencies. This initiative offered 100 to 200 times the Shib news. Remember to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to view our most recent Shiba material. Expert analysis and Inu price forecasts. Without further delay, now let's start the video. During the 2021 meme coin frenzy, an unidentified person or organization going by the name of Rashi launched the Shiba Inu meme coin project in August 2020. Shiba Rose will turn into a favored investment. The rival to Dogecoin had a jump in market valuation of more over 49 million per to mint millionaires and is now ranked in the top 10. Despite the Shib team's tremendous efforts to raise the project's value, Chiu has dropped far below its all-time high and has seen very little positive price motion. Shib's price hasn't changed much in the past month. For the past 2 years, Shiba developers have been hard at work creating a suite of DeFi products to save the Shib ecosystem. They have introduced a Layer 2 network called Sharam, a decentralized exchange called shibaswap, and an NFT marketplace Shib token burning to reduce circulating supply. The whole number of wallets on the Sharam testnet was 3.1 million on April 13, now standing above 5 million Sharam. The Layer 2 solution for the Shiba ecosystem is registering an impressive surge in adoption rate as observed in the metrics of its testnet PuppyNet. Notably, the total number of wallets on PuppyNet has increased by 86% in just a single month. Although these are positive developments, the price of Shiba Inu has not increased. This is primarily because these developments are not unique in attempts to compete for users with more developed ecosystems like Polygon. As a result, the Shib ecosystem has become stagnant and investors are losing hope of recovering. In just 2 days, more than 5 million puppies were recalled. The dedicated puppy skin explorer for the PuppyNet went offline on April 12 in response to a tweet from Shoshir Kusama, Shiba Inu project lead, hinting at ongoing development work. 14 hours later, the explorer reappeared, revealing that 3,122,259 wallets were on Puppet, 2.95 million transactions had been made, and 34,700 blocks had been made overall. Wallets on the test network currently number 5.8 million, indicating a remarkable 86% rise. In PuppyNet has received 2.7 million wallets in just the last 2 days, and the number of transactions has surged by 99.5% to reach 3.2 million at this point. Before the end of the week, total blocks had also increased to 374,000 wallets. However, despite these positive trends, bears pointed out that data indicates the network is currently going through an indexing process, and some counts may be erroneous. Puppet was introduced last month to let participants test Sharam's potential and identify any issues that needed to be fixed before the mainnet launch. Testing has so far remained on course with the impressive feats achieved by the test network in terms of adoption rate. Shu has been making headlines lately with its meme-inspired cryptocurrency gaining a sizable following among investors. However, its price has been struggling to gain momentum, according to the lead developer of Shiba Inu. The reason for this is that more token burns. The process of token burns, which involves removing a portion of the cryptocurrency supply from circulation in order to reduce its overall supply and possibly raise its value. More token burns are required, according to Shiba Inu's principal developer, in order to reduce the supply of tokens and raise their price. Despite the high burn numbers in the first half of April, the price of Shib remains below the community's expectations, despite the Shiba community's keen anticipation of a rise in the token's price following the recent surge in Shib burn figures. The largest burn numbers since October 2022 were recorded in March 2023. Additionally, the lead developer of Shiba Inu recently said that more burns are required to have a significant effect on the Shib price. This could be because, although the burn numbers may appear impressive, their impact may be less when expressed in USD. The Shiba ecosystem's governance token, Shiba Inu, is an ERC-20 token. Based on the 6-hour time frame, it appears likely that the SHIB token price will see a breakout and continue its upward trend. This is because an ascending triangle pattern has formed, which is generally regarded as a bullish signal. The price of the Shiba Inu coin bounced at the pattern support line on April 12, creating a long lower wick, which is thought to be a sign of buying pressure. If the price closes above the RE, even though the price has struggled to initiate an upward movement, it is attempting to break out from the 0.0011 resistance area. Since resistances weaken each time they are touched, an eventual breakout is expected. The technical analysis from the daily time frame aligns with the reading from the 6-hour one. The price broke out from a descending resistance line on March 17 and validated it as support 10 days later. On April 12, Shiba formed a long lower wick, indicating buying pressure. At last, the daily RSI crossed over 50. An additional indication of a positive trend, so the most likely future price outlook is a breakthrough from the 0.115 region and an advance to 0.135. The price forecast is a breakout rising to 0.135. If the market closes below the short-term ascending support line, this bullish outlook will be invalidated, and the SHIB price may fall to 0.0077. In the world of cryptocurrencies, Shiba Inu has been making headlines. Its popularity has been rising dramatically in recent months, and one of the most recent events with Shib is that its burn rate has jumped by an incredible 30,000. The Koyo token project's data from the Ethereum blockchain shows that Koyo burned a staggering 1.49 billion SHIB tokens, helping to lessen the meme-inspired cryptocurrency's huge burn rate, which has increased by over 30,000 each day in the last 24 hours. This is not the first time that Koyo has burned through a large quantity of SHIB. Earlier this year, it moved 1.1 billion tokens to a dead wallet. Since its exclusive debut on the shibaswap DEX last month, Yo has contributed to a reduction in Shiba Inu supply of 8.75 billion SHIB through a variety of transactions. Coins The burn rat's surge indicates that demand for the token is rising, and Binance, the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, strongly attests to the quality of the Shiba Inu project and SHIB token. According to a Binance release, the Shiba Inu coin is one of the cryptocurrencies being removed from the innovation zone of centralized exchanges after exhibiting qualities like stability and team dedication. The innovation zone was created to provide a secure environment for Binance users to trade new and innovative projects. Over time, some of these projects have shown their value and live up to our high standards. We will remove them from the innovation zone when we find such projects during our regular project review. The biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world formally endorsing Shiba's quality with this announcement. When removing tokens from the innovation zone, Binance takes into account a number of aspects, such as the level of team commitment, the caliber of development activities, trading volume, and liquidity. Safety and stability of SLS smart contracts on the network. Public relations reactivity to due diligence. That concludes our discussion today. Remember to give it a huge thumbs up. Ethical behavior and contribute to a robust and sustainable crypto environment. To view our most recent content, please like and subscribe to the channel.